Did you know that the way desert winds shape sand dunes can teach us about our own health? Just as the wind sculpts the sand, our breath can shape our well-being. Recent studies reveal that practicing deep rhythmic breathing can significantly reduce stress levels. This technique, known as diaphragmatic breathing, engages the diaphragm, promoting relaxation and lowering cortisol levels. By mimicking the natural ebb and flow of desert winds, we can harness this simple yet powerful tool to enhance mental clarity and emotional balance. Embrace the rhythm of your breath and discover a new path to wellness.